Hello guys, today I'm going to speak of the admin part in our core banking system. So from the admin I will start speaking of the users. Okay, so I select the user. These are users which are authorized to do the activities within the system. So whenever you acquire this system, there must be some users that are required to enter within the system. So for example, you are a super user, which means you are authorized to do anything within the system. So you as a super user, maybe the manager is given the authority to do anything within the system. So that manager is required to create other users. So he or she will have to 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 permit that person to do certain activity within the system. Let's say that super user wants to create a loan officer. So the only thing that he is required to do is to come to admin part and select the users. After that, you create a new user. So these are just users which are already being created within the system. So this is just a demonstration. So at this point I'll just create the new user. So you have to select the username. So the username of which he or she will be required to enter at the time when he or she wants to enter within the system. So you select the user, you write the email, also the first name, the last name. You have to enter them here. So you have to write the password. So this will be the password that will be required at the time when this user is going to log in within the system. So you create the password and you repeat the password. So after that, you have to select the office that the user is being inherited. Maybe you have branches, you have to select branch, or the user is within the head office, so you have to select. So that user must be a staff, so you have to select. Maybe that user is a staff, so you have to select that kind of staff. So here is when you have to select the role that he or she is required to perform. These roles also are created within the system. So maybe you want to create that user, and that user is required to do the loan management, so you have to select the loan officer. So if that user you want to, maybe he or she you want him or her to do the accounting activities, so you have to select the accounting activities. So these are just roles that the user is required to perform. If you select that user to be a super user, so he will do the super user jobs. So this is it. So after creating that user, you have to log out within the system. So if you sign out, you can see here. So as you remember, when you were creating the user, you have to create you had to create the username. So that user name is required to be entered here, and select the password. And at the time you log in within the system using the credentials that you have created before, so the authority of that user will happen. Okay, thank you.